structure expands. More brickwork, more framing. What began as isolated sections now start to connect. She works now with calm mastery, the type of quiet determination that doesn't demand attention, but radiates steadiness. Reinforcing, aligning, and securing the work so it can stand strong for everything that will come next. She spends this day making sure what has been built so far is true, straight, level, and strong. This includes tasks like reinforcing joints, tightening frames, adjusting lines, and correcting minor imperfections. It's not about adding more height. It's about ensuring what's already standing can stay standing. Tools like the level, measuring tape, string line, or square are used repeatedly. Rather than rushing to build more walls, she inspects the existing ones, confirms measurements, and makes subtle but important adjustments. She added mortar, braces, or supports where it was needed. And the focus shifts toward definition and character, bringing function, beauty, and finishing touches into view. She centers on preparing surfaces for finishing, smoothing rough. Full journey from open ground to a finished hand-built structure. If you've enjoyed watching this project take shape, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to follow more inspiring builds from Construction IQ. Thank you for watching. This is Construction IQ, where every build tells a story. The builder cannot continue adding or firing yet. The material needs to dry and cure slowly. If rushed, the clay could crack or collapse. Laying finer layers of mortar. She measures and cuts shelves, ledges, and openings for cooking or ventilation. She observes how light lands on surfaces, how the shadows fall, adjusting small details accordingly. She continues with sanding, smoothing, or applying the first coat of plastering. Moments in the entire construction journey. Up to this point, she's been shaping walls, surfaces, and form. But now she's building the heart of the structure, the oven itself. She focuses on shaping the oven's curved dome, likely using a mix of clay, sand, straw, and ash, ensuring the dome won't crack when heated. By the end of the day, the dome's outline is complete. It's still drying, still fragile, but it now resembles an oven, the heart of what will make the place truly alive. Final finishing and completion. In the final phase, everything comes together. She cleans, polishes, and prepares the space for its new life. Outside, she arranges stones and plants, blending the build back into the land it rose from. A creation built entirely by one woman's hands, guided by patience and purpose. The sun settles over the garden, the builder turns her attention to a humble yet rewarding task: harvesting peanuts. With patience and care, she lifts each plant from the soil, uncovering the treasures hidden beneath the earth. A basket slowly fills with freshly gathered peanuts. Before these peanuts can be enjoyed, they must be cleaned. The builder gently clears off dirt and sorts them with a practiced hand, ensuring only the best are kept for the kitchen. A simple outdoor washing setup brings them to life. Water fresh and ready for cooking. It's a beautiful blend of simplicity and resourcefulness. The builder gently arranges small pieces of dry wood inside the fire chamber. Striking a match to spark the first flame, a soft glow begins to breathe life into the newly built stove, the first test of her craftsmanship. The flames rise stronger, crackling with energy as the wood begins to burn steadily. Heat swirls within the chamber, confirming that the internal airflow system is working as designed. This is more than fire. It's the moment of truth for her long hours of construction. White smoke rushes smoothly through the chimney outlet, rising high into the air. The clean upward flow reveals that the chimney draft and dual chamber structure are functioning perfectly, letting smoke escape efficiently without filling the cooking area. With confidence, the builder places a cooking pot on the stove surface to test the heat distribution. The solid structure radiates warmth, showing how effectively the stove retains and channels heat, a sign of fuel efficiency and smart design. The stove now burns with a steady, powerful flame, proof that her handmade double wood-fired stove is fully operational. What began as bricks and mortar has now become a reliable, fuel-saving cooking system, built with patience, skill, and dedication. Night has gently fallen over the homestead, and the outdoor kitchen now glows with warm light. The soft bulbs illuminate the natural wood and clay finishes, turning the space into a peaceful, welcoming haven. The builder sits beside her handcrafted stove, taking a quiet breath of satisfaction. After long hours of labor, this moment reflects the calm pride that comes when hard work meets accomplishment. Lights shimmer across the kitchen as the evening ambience fully comes to life. The space feels warm and alive, no longer just a structure, but a home infused with comfort and purpose.